Hey guys, I hope you are all doing really well and staying really healthy. I miss you a lot. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you know that if you did not bring your ELA book home, that is okay. You can still access the online materials through your My Perspectives account. But as you know, we've been having some issues with this in class, and I just wanted to show you a little quick workaround to how you can still get those reading materials even though they haven't been loading on the iPads in class. And for some of you, they said that they weren't working at home either. I want to show you a workaround that I have kind of figured out, and then if you are still having issues with it, you can have mom or dad email me and I will do my best to help you, okay? So you're going to start by going to the USD383.org website, just like we usually do. You're going to go to the Students tab, like usual. This part is probably routine for you, but if you've forgotten over spring break, just a quick refresher. We're going to the My Perspectives tab. It's almost near the bottom, but not quite. Okay, and then remember that this screen is going to look different for you than it does for me because I have a teacher account and I'm already logged in, so mine pops up automatically for me. You will get that blue screen that says to use your district login. So then you're going to use your district login. If you forgot what that was, it's the first 7 letters of your first name, the first 7 letters of your last name, number 26 at USD383.org. And then your password is man-your lunch number. Once you get into there, then you're going to click, you don't have all these options like I do. You're just going to click the one option that you have. It'll say reading literature, and it will bring you to this screen, the Pearson Realize My Perspective screen, and this should look really familiar for you. Okay, then you're going to click on the My Perspectives ELA National Grade 6. Looks just like our textbook. Okay, and normally we go in through the unit resources, but this has not been working for us. So we're going to go to the Student Edition, open in a new window, and I apologize, it's kind of slow. I don't have very good internet at home. So once it gets loaded here, this is going to be our workaround. It's exactly like your textbook, like word for word. Oh, come on, computer. Here we go. Thank you for your patience, guys. While this is loading, I'll just use this time as a quick reminder to please be reading while you're at home over these next couple of weeks. If you don't have a book at home, that's okay. You can read anything. You can get online and you can read some of the stories, even if we haven't read them yet. I'm not going to be mad at you for reading. Okay, since this is loaded, over here in the top right-hand corner where it says Menu, you can click this, Table of Contents, and then all of our materials are right here. We're going into Unit 4, Imagination, and all of those readings are going to be right here for you. Okay, so this is just a quick workaround so that you can still get access to our reading materials if you didn't take home your book. I hope you guys are having a really great break, and please stay healthy.